Good morning. You're with us live from San Diego.
I thought you were going to forget to say San Diego.
I was going to think of somewhere else, but I just like San Diego, so I said San Diego. This is group 3. We're on lesson 8. It's a doozy.
Yeah.
Oh,
I thought categorical. Right.
huh?
Said I got true for number 1. Aaron, you're probably the only one that could get that one wrong, though. So
I'm putting
I'll
Paul.
have to agree with Mason on that one.
No, this one didn't say, did you complete the group activity? No.
I probably won't do a lot of talking because my throat really hurts. So
Okay.
a little heads up.
Okay, so in the lesson 3 recap, it says a parameter is a parameter is true, and then a statistic is an estimate for the next one.
I think a statistic is like the sample size. It's from the sample that they did, you know?
Yeah, a statistic is an estimate.
So I think 100 is the parameter.
And 112 is statistic.
Yeah.
Woo. Excuse me.
What lesson was parameter in?
That was lesson 3. I gotta. I think number 4 is SRS. Is that what you guys got?
I feel like the two sentences were very contradictory. The property values are very similar. Oh, that's saying the houses are the same, not all the houses in all the different neighborhoods. Oh man, this is like week 2 stuff.
Yeah, this is week 2.
All right, I'll look. Do you guys want me to look up the definitions of the other 3?
I just looked them up. They're all it's all lesson. It's in lesson. So are you guys looking at that lesson 2 recaps? Like there's all these recaps that have the answers.
Oh, I just have all 6 lessons up that we did.
Yeah, if you go onto the lesson 8 page and you click there's a little link that says show summaries, and it pulls up like these little recaps of all 8 of them or all 7, and I think they have the answers.
Does it show recaps at the top or the bottom?
It shows. So if you go to lesson 8, it says number 2 lesson summaries. Click on the link at right for a review of the summaries of each lesson.
But yeah, I agree that it was the SRS or RS.
Okay.
Right. You said this is lesson 2, right?
Yeah, this looks like lesson 2 stuff.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. Number 5.
Yeah, I think 5. I put cluster.
Because weren't 2 of them very similar in this regard?
Cluster and stratified are pretty similar.
Yeah, I agree.
So did you say that 5 is cluster?
Yeah, because they randomly select the teachers, and then there's each teacher has like a cluster of students. That's how I kind of thought of it.
Yeah, whereas I think number 6 is SRS.
Yeah.
It's systemic.
For which one?
Well, I was just reading them. Yeah,
Oh.
that's all right.
Yeah. It's completely random.
I think number 7 is stratified.
Yeah. Because they selected people from that group.
Yeah, they took. Yeah. Are you guys on 8 yet?
Yeah, I'm doing the average right now.
How do you make the little box cover all of them again? How do you tell it to go up?
What?
If you type
I just
in,
drag it, but Mason knows how to make it go up.
I got 4.771.
Me too.
I don't know. I'd love to answer your question, but I don't know what you mean by
How do you select all?
Control Shift and then arrow either way. You want to select the first or the last cell, and then you Control Shift. While holding Control Shift, you push up or down.
or okay. Cell.
My wife's watching Pearl Harbor right now, and she's like crying.
What part she at?
The very end, when his best friend's like about to die.
Does she want me to spoil it? Just kidding.
She's got my big headphones on, and I can't hear it, but I can just see her eyes watering up.
Stop talking.
Oh gosh. What are we supposed to round to? The third?
3 decimals.
4.771. Using software. Hey, do you remember if we did STDVS or P?
I think it's P.
Okay.
Because I think I remember you saying you only use P in your one class. And then I was like, oh, we used .s and we got the right answer. And then we did it for one of the quizzes and it was wrong. So then we had to use P.
I got 1.901.
Me too.
That was using P. You get that?
Yeah, I use P too.
You got 1.901.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Oh my.
Well, I thought there was like a program that we used to make the histograms.
I went to it's in lesson 3.
G-Bombs one. She's talking up all night.
Enable
It's lesson
editing.
3.
Uh-huh. Also with purchases.
Where's the link? Dude?
Yep. Are you letting me? It's
What's it called? Quantitative description statistics.
yep. Here it is.
For the first time, all these pounds are home.
I need like an extra screen.
I agree, that would be nice.
I created.
You guys see the histogram?
Yeah.
Cool beans.
Like all hard for me right now.
Okay. So we have to find the standard deviation of bottle, whatever their name is.
Just now got the feeling.
Oh. Deviation from the mean.
So how do we do?
I got 0.165. I just found the mean of those four numbers and then minused it from.
0.165?
Yes.
Let me do it.
The 0.825.
For 12, I got 0.681.
Me too.
What'd you get for 11 again? Sorry.
Negative
165?
0.65.
Negative
0.1.
0.16.
Negative?
Negative 0.165, yeah.
Or what? Did we agree on 6.81 or 0.681?
That's what I got for 12.
All right.
For 13, I think it might be the variance.
Yeah, I was pretty sure it's the sample variance. Yeah. There's a standard deviation of these temperatures.
The heck? It's annoying. Just now got the feeling.
Did you get 0.619?
That's what I got. 61929.
Did you get what was it, 0.619?
Standard deviation can be negative.
I don't think so. Actually, no, it can't. It doesn't involve squaring.
Standard deviation is an average.
I don't think it can be.
Yeah, I don't think it can be negative.
Yeah, nope.
Yeah.
Would it be the extradural since its standard deviation is the lowest?
I think so, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, the third quartile. You remember this one?
It's
one.
8.
Is it 8? 1, 2, 3.
I can't remember. I think it is. Or is it? Is the third then? I'll look it up.
It's in section or lesson 3.
I don't know this showing up.
The 5-number summary of a data set contains the minimum value, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum value. Yeah, I think it's 8.
Oh, here we go. So,
Oh man, that hurt.
8, yeah. And then 2 would be the min, and then 12 would be the max.
Yeah.
Four and 8. That'd be 50%.
I think it's 50. 68, is it?
What'd you say?
Not 68, is it?
I thought it was 50.
Those aren't one standard deviations lines, right? They're quartiles, so that means 20. That means 25%.
I thought it went from 25 to 75.
Just making sure.
Really hope we get all these questions right the first time. You don't have any idea how to do this problem?
Hey, what problem are you guys on now? Sorry, I had to go to the bathroom.
What's the average of them? And then between them.
So are we adding the two equations together?
One.
Did you just use 2 for standard deviation to solve for it?
Did you
Oh,
deviation of
mm,
Where'd Matt go?
Yeah, I just asked, did you in 20, did you get 0.233?
one second. I think I might have figured it out. What did you get for? Wait. What'd you get for 20? Matt?
You cut it out.
What'd you get for 20?
What did I
Matt?
get for 20?
Where'd Mason
Can you
go?
hear me?
I'm alive.
What'd you get, Matt?
33.
0.23. That's what I got. Okay. It took me a second to realize what we were supposed to do.
Yeah, I still don't really get it.
So, so it's like a like one of the basic algebra math problems. It's like x. It'd be like x minus 2y equals a number, and then we just solve for. So I did u, and then I added the 2 delta 2. What is that, delta theta? I don't know. The 2 whatever to the other side, so you get u equals 1.59 to whatever. And then
Yeah.
you substitute that in for the u on the second equation. And then you can solve for the standard deviation and then plug that in and find the mean.
I got you. So what did you guys get then?
I got 2.0.
19, I got 2.
Yeah, I didn't hear a single thing that you guys just said.
All right, you say it, Aaron. I think, I don't know, maybe my Computer's not working right or something.
2.055.
So,
68%.
all right. So what question are you guys on? Can you guys hear me anymore?
Yeah. I'm on question 21.
I am too, but I'm reading question 22 right now.
Okay, for 21, I got I got the last one, 1.8 and 2.2.
I got slightly off of everything. So did you go into the normal percentage one? Oh. You put a 1 down there?
I didn't use that. I didn't use the normal probability after that.
How'd you do it?
So
Oh,
if-
because the z-score is going to be 1, yeah?
yeah, we're given the mean, and we can find the standard deviation. So you just add one standard deviation and subtract one standard deviation.
So you got the 1.8. Okay, that's why I didn't get the right. Yep, I got that too.
Okay. For question 22, I got 50.
What, 542.3? So if you do 542.3 minus 542.3, don't you just get 0?
Yeah, that's what I got.
And then you divide by any number and it's just going to be 0.
But
So
it's asking about that number.
if you plug it in, you still get 50, Matt?
Well, no, I'm just probability that a randomly selected student will
Oh.
score above, and that value is the mean value, and that means that it's right in the middle.
I was thinking that it wasn't going to be a correct z-score if you put in 0.
Huh.
Or below
Below.
600.
I got 0.478 when I did the equation, and it's below that.
68.4.
What was your z-score?
Z-score was 0.479.
Yeah. And then do you have the applet pulled up?
Uh-huh.
Sorry, I haven't. My computer's being really weird. I haven't done that one yet.
What'd you get, Aaron, on the applet?
684.684.
Does it say how we're supposed to? I guess we round them to the third decimal, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then did you get 0.58? Wait. Did you get 0.316, Aaron?
What did you say?
For a 24?
24.316.
Oh man. How do you no 30 how do you do 35, Aaron? How do you do it when they give you the exact percentile?
Wait, 30? Oh, 25?
25, I mean, yeah, sorry.
I was like, whoa, you skipped ahead. So you go. Did it say score below? So
Yeah.
so 10 percentile is going to be like to the left and lower when it says whatever percentile, and so you just go to the area, and you put in a 0.1.
Oh, and then it gives you the score?
Yeah, so then it gives you a z-score, which I'm glad you said something because I have the wrong z-score.
And then you plug that in to the equation and solve for it.
Uh-huh. Glad we didn't have to take any tests to get into our programs. We got 388.
388
Mm-hmm.
makes sense.
Okay, so I did the z-score of -1.28. Is that what you got for your z-score, Aaron or Mason, either?
The z-score what, sorry?
For which
What?
one?
For 25, I got the z-score is 1.28.
-1.28.
Okay, and so you multiply that by the standard deviation,
Uh-huh.
divide by the average.
Then you add the average.
Oh, that's what it is. Oh, I got like totally wrong. That would be why. Did you say you got 388?
Yeah.
388, yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, the first wood file. I don't remember how to do that. 25%.
Did you get 6? Did you get 26 yet?
Is it 697?
That's what I got.
Took that test. I got a 702.
Okay, 25th percentile. That's what I thought.
Oh, you took the GMAT?
No, I'm just kidding. But my buddy did, and he didn't get into the program.
Well, it sounds like it's pretty hard to get in.
It's very hard.
Like 6. I hope the test is a lot of these. problems because these are the easiest thing we've done, I think.
Hit 461 for 27.
4, 6, yeah. Third quartile. 75. Wait.
And for 28, I got 624.
That's what I.
What is the mean of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such things? How do you
Mean
are you
is
on
still-
29, Aaron?
Yeah.
How do you do this one?
So the mean is the mean is always the mean, and then the next one is going to be the standard deviation divided by the square root. of it. You guys get 30.984.
No. For 30,
Yeah.
I did. I did 120 divided by the square root of 15.
You got 30.984.
No, I did. So I actually did 120.54 divided by the square root of 15. And I got 31.123.
Oh, I didn't do the whole thing. So you got 31.123.
Yeah. Okay. For 31,
0.032 for the last one.
I got 0.031.
How many decimal places did you do your z-score?
I mean,
I
yeah.
did
Now
3.
it's. What did you get for that? 1.862.
854.
So I'll run through what I did. I started with 600 minus 542.3.
And then you get 57.7
Yeah. Then you divide by,
divided by.
in the parentheses, 120 divided by the square root of 15. Oh, I forgot the 0.54.
That's funny. I did that.
Yeah, that's funny. You did it on the last one.
Oh shoot! All right, we run through all the answers real quick. Make sure we all have the same ones.
All right. Is that cool if I end the group chat?
Yeah.
Yeah.